Hi all, it's me, Rob again. Today I've been shooting with the Beretta 92 FS and it's time to clean it. It's about 500-600 rounds ago since I cleaned it, and I had some trouble with my Smit & Wesson 357 Magnum revolver. That's going to be another video. This time it's just to clean it, see if it is necessary. First we make sure it's empty. There's no magazine inside. So we're going to check if it's empty. It is. You can see it from the front. When you put your nail in it, you can see it through the barrel. So it's empty. What we're going to do is make sure to remove it in a proper way, to clean it in a proper way, and to use it in a proper way. It's actually quite simple to do the maintenance on the Beretta. After you're sure it's empty, I'm going to use this one to push it, remove this one from the top, place it in the down position, so press it, move it, and you can remove the top. This is actually just the simple movement to clean it, to make sure it's all got enough oil on the side where it's supposed to have it. And the slide, it's dirty. The spring is pretty clean. So it's not a terrible thing to do, but after you remove the barrel, I'm using a bore snake bore. Always make sure it goes from the side where the bullet makes its entry. There's some brush on it, and simply just get it through the barrel. It's already almost clean. Make sure it all works. Also check it after you're finished. Just be sure it's done in a proper way, so it will keep working. This is just a very simple field strip. Next time, I think about after 1,000-1,200 rounds, I will do the total cleanup and everything will be put in parts. It's quite simple. Now let me see if I can find some oil. Just some gun and rifle oil from Abbey. Nothing fancy, just oil. The inside, the outside. Just keep it clean, keep it working. I'm only having the 9mm. I know there's also a replacement set with a 22. I don't have it. I might buy some. I'm not sure. Just a little brush. Make sure it comes everywhere. This is just a firing pin. It's a very simple thing to do, maintenance. It's also part of the hobby. Like I told you, I have some problems, had some problems with my Smit & Wesson 357. I used to do the maintenance every time after I used the gun. I think this is about the maintenance so far for the 9mm Beretta 92 FS. Nothing special. It's a great gun. It's working and it's supposed to keep working. So you have to do some maintenance once in a while. I try to do it between the 500 and 750 rounds. And I shoot about 200-300 rounds every time I'm using it. I'm using it for military pistol, just some mastercard shooting, and that's about it. No hunting, just for the sports. I really love this gun. It's a great one. Well, quite simple, but it's just a look into my maintenance kitchen. Going to be with the next revolver for the next video. I hope you like this one. Pretty simple maintenance, and if you think that's interesting, don't forget to hit the notification bell and be sure you won't miss the next thing I'm going to upload. Love this one. Hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.